In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Evernote. Whether you're a seasoned Evernote user or just getting started, mastering the art of tagging can significantly enhance the way you organize and retrieve your notes. Let's dive in and make your Evernote experience even more efficient. First, you'll want to open up Evernote on your device. Navigate through your notes and decide if you want to create a brand new note or open an existing one that you already have in your notebook. Opening a note is the first step. You might wonder, why is this important? Well, tagging is all about classification and quick retrieval of information, so being deliberate in choosing or creating a note is important. Once you have your note in front of you, the next step is adding a tag. Scroll to the bottom of the note where you'll find the option to add a tag. The tag icon is quite recognizable. It's a small icon that looks like a label or price tag, usually accompanied by a plus sign. This icon is your gateway to better note organization. Click on it to initiate the process of tagging your note. As you click the tag icon, you'll see a field where you start typing to either select an existing tag or jot down a new one. The idea here is to easily categorize your notes for future reference. If you're a big fan of organization, having a consistent tagging system will save you a lot of time in the long run. Consider what keywords or phrases best summarize the content or purpose of your note and type those in. This way, when you need to find it again, the path will be smooth and swift. But what if the tag you have in mind doesn't exist yet? No worries, you can still proceed seamlessly. As you type in your desired tag name and discover it's not already available, simply continue typing the full name of your tag. Once you're satisfied with it, hit the Enter key. This action creates a brand new tag and assigns it to your note simultaneously. Tags in Evernote are incredibly powerful because they allow you to assign multiple categories to a single note, thus integrating your notes into several projects or themes. By carefully selecting tags for your notes, you effectively create a network of categorized information that can be easily traversed. This way, when you're searching for related notes, the tag will immediately guide you to them without having to trawl through dozens of entries. Congratulations! You've just learned how to implement a simple yet highly effective system for organizing your notes using tags in Evernote. With this skill in your toolbox, you can look forward to a more streamlined and productive note-taking journey. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your notes well organized and your thoughts clear.